Welcome to Owen Allen Media. Tonight is the Grammy Awards and Shenseea was on the red carpet. Shenseea shared that she looks up to Vybz Kartel and Rihanna, and she said that she's committed to continuing her work while being mindful of the content that she puts out into the world. And I am wishing Shenseea all the best. I hope she wins the Grammy if Vybz Kartel does not win. If Vybz Kartel does not win, I hope Shenseea wins, right? So take a look at what Shenseea had to say.
By the fire, for sure. But yes, we're here today. Thank God we're alive and well. And we're here living in the moment.
Yeah, I love that. Now, you are one of the faces of the new movement of, music coming out of the Caribbean, Jamaica, dancehall, reggae. Like, what's it like kind of being the it woman for that particular genre right now?
Wow, I must say I'm grateful, and I have no complaints. I'm just trying to live in the moment, as I said before, and I'm giving God thanks, and I'm trying to put in the work and not get distracted.
Giants for you just early on in your career that you really look up to, where now you're coming to these award shows, you're getting that acclaim and recognition for your music, and you say, oh, I'm rubbing elbows with these people?
Vybz Kartel for sure, because we're both nominated in the same category. Rihanna, just plenty of people. I'm here. Whitney has passed on, Michael Jackson has passed on, so they're not with us anymore, but those are some of my faves.
Now, you are known for going viral, breaking the internet.
True. True.
What's it like just, having that kind of presence on social media and having so many people interested in what you do? Because you're always coming up on my timeline.
Wow, thank you. I just try to be mindful of what I put out there. I have to watch it like 10 times, just because the day and age that we live in, social media, I would never want anyone to take what I'm doing out of context. So I try to be mindful and very careful before I even post. But so far, I'm happy it's going well and people are enjoying the content.
That's awesome.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Again, fabulous with the outfit.
All right, so that was the video. Stay tuned as I will continue to update you on the Grammy Awards and winning. Owen Allen Media, we keep you informed.